Okay, welcome to lesson 2. We are going to create a very simple bouquet. We're going to require this bouquet to add it to the network, which we will create in lesson 3. Okay, let's go ahead and create the simple bouquet. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Screenworks and we're going to say new bouquet. Panel opens up. Let's give it a name. We will call it data post. Bouquet number. This is not required, but we will call this 001. Down the bottom here, you could at this point add rights, permissions, time constraints, but as discussed, we're going to use user access as a control mechanism to this network. Save that. Right, opens up this panel. The next thing that we need to do is we need to add players or channels or screens. So let's add a new player channel, and once again keep this quite simple, and we're going to call it screen. Actually, let's call it screen DP1. Over here we set to active screen aspect ratio. It is going to be a 16:9 screen. Once again, we're not adding any permissions at this point, and we save that. Opens up a new panel. You would then need to add a layout to this. Get to these by going to Screen Layouts and All Layouts. It's a basic 16:9 layout. I'm going to just drag this across to my clipboard, and I'm going to go back to my screen here, and I'm going to drag and drop into that screen. What we need to do now is we need to create a content list for that layer. Open another panel, and we will name this list the same as the screen over here. So I'm going to call it screen DP1 list. You could add comments if you wanted to over here. You don't have to add permissions at this point, and we'll save that. What will happen is it now open up this panel here, and now we need to add some content. So I'm just going to quickly go look for some. I'm just going to look in default video and look for data post, and I have some animation. So we'll do a quick search. Right, there's the animation. I drag this to my clipboard, switch back to my screen, to the playlist, and drag it in. Because it's video, it automatically will pick up the duration, but I'm going to put a loop on this. That, and basically we've got a very simple screen now that is ready to be published. I just need to take the content list and drag it onto the layout and apply it. Right, now we've got a screen. It's fantastic. Now I'm going to go ahead and do exactly what I've done 3 times. And then we'll pick up on what we do there, so we don't have to waste your time, but it's going to be exactly the same process. I'm going to go and I'm going to go back to my bouquet, and I'm going to say new channel, and we'll carry on. Okay, so I'm back with you now, and I'm just finishing off my 3rd screen. I'm going to save this. Just a little trick that I'm doing here is I'm going to use the same layout, and I just need to drag my content list onto that layout, and we're sorted. So now we're going to have 3 screens in this bouquet. If we go to the bouquet here and we refresh, we'll see now we have the 3 screens. Okay, so now we've got a basic bouquet, and in the next lesson I'm going to create a network. Okay, thanks. See you in lesson 3.